Alright guys, and now we're gonna ride the subway back to Terminal E. Yep. And I can see the train coming. Hopefully I'll make this video fast before my phone, before my phone camera starts to run out of memory. Right now I'm just a little worried that my phone camera might run out of memory. I mean, for real, I am. But the good thing is, the train is arriving. We're gonna go sit up in the... I'm not sure what car to take.
Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail.
The train's a little bit crowded, so... Okay, we have people, so... There's a bunch of people, so I got the camera covered. I'll just point the camera in the window. There's a bunch of security, so I have the camera pointed down right here.
Please stand clear of the
doorway. We're
doorway.
Gonna go in just a bit.
When the doorway is clear, we will continue our trip.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de la puerta.
I'm just gonna be quiet.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal C and E.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D. Okay, now we're
You are at Terminal D and E. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal C.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal D y E. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal C.
let these people off first. Okay, we can get off now. These are all the music speakers up there once again.
Please stand clear of the doorway. When the doorway is clear, we will
Okay, there's still
continue
people
our
trying to
trip.
board the train.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de la puerta.
No, never mind.
La entrada
Oh, no, no, the
esté
train's
cerrada.
leaving.
Continuaremos.
We can go now.
You are at Terminal D and E. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal C.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal D y E. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal C.
Yep. Okay, now. Alright. Yep, let's go ride these escalators up. Last view of this music speaker up here. Okay. Let's go. Let's get a move on right now. Yes. Alright, and that's it.